Man, I regret not getting that haircut. Anyways, chances are you don't have much in stock and you want some creative ways to use what you have. Well, with a little pie crust, that can be accomplished. And if you don't have pie crust or you can't get it, here's my recipe for it. Let's get started. Right here I have 1 3/4 cup of flour, and to that I'm going to add about 12 tablespoons of salted butter. Never said anything about this being healthy. Now using your fingertips, you are going to just rub the butter into the flour like so. Do this until it's like a consistency of wet sand. Once you can press it like this, you're ready. I'll be right back. I gotta wash my hands. Don't forget to share, comment, and like this YouTube video. And make sure you're subscribed to Jared Lendy Show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here I have about 1/3 cup of water, and with a fork I'm just gonna stir it in a little bit at a time. And now just use your hands to incorporate everything together. And your dough is ready. I'm gonna place a little bit of flour on our table, add our pie dough, maybe add a little bit more on top. With our rolling pin, we're gonna roll it, and we're gonna turn it about 1/4 of the way each time, and roll it until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. And it's ready to be used. Some recipes will have you have some extra pie dough, so instead of throwing it out, we're gonna do a bonus recipe. We're gonna make some crackers. So we're gonna just take our rolling pin and flatten them down a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm gonna take a fork and just poke some holes all throughout the pie dough. And we're just gonna use our paring knife to just cut some rustic shapes out of the pie dough. And we're just gonna transfer these onto a baking sheet that I have right here. These just go in with whatever you're baking. I just like to flip them after 10 minutes, and we're gonna place them back in the oven. There we go. I let these go for another 15 minutes in the oven and let them cool down, and they're perfect. They remind me of the Townhouse butter crackers. I've got more recipes involving pie dough, so make sure you're subscribed. Until next week, I'm Jared Lendy with Small Bites. See ya!